Hello po.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. You wanna play?
What?
You wanna play?
What play? What games?
The PK. The PK.
Ah, okay. If you want, it's okay. But
Yeah, alright.
I'm here to sing a song for you. What do you
Oh wow,
want?
you're a singer.
Yeah. What do you want? What do you a favorite song?
I'm so excited right now. Do you do that professionally?
No, it's a karaoke song.
Oh, I see, I see. By the way, is that your real name? Kale? Is that your
That's
name?
that's my nickname. It's Kalai. My name is Anna. Thank you
Anna.
so much for
Oh.
tapping my screen. Thank
Anna,
you.
where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina.
You're a Filipino. Oh wow, that's why you look great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why
And
do
you
Filipinos
are?
are beautiful? Hey, why do Filipinos are pretty and beautiful? Why is that?
I'm not I'm not pretty. It's effect.
What do you mean? No, I can see it right now. It's you. You look great.
Thank you so much. But it's a mix from effects here in TikTok.
I see, I see. But I can tell that
You
you
are
are really
from?
beautiful. You guess where I came from? Can you guess?
Yeah.
If you guess it right, I'm gonna give you a gift. Go ahead.
It's your country or you,
Yeah, my country.
you are Muslim? No.
Yeah, my country. Tell me my country.
Oh, it's Middle East, Saudi,
How did you
UAE.
know?
It's you are look an Asian too. Is I no, it's not Asian, but you look in the Middle East.
Like Arab.
I have a friend in Middle East. It's in the Eastern province on Saudi.
I see. What is the place? Tell me the place. Maybe I know that place.
It's Eastern province. It's a hospital. My friend
Ah,
is she is working on hospital.
I see. I see. I got that. I'm a doctor in UAE right now. I'm a doctor.
Oh, hello. I'm a nursing assistant here in Philippines.
Anong hospital ka nagtatrabaho? Saan
Visit
hospital?
ka kuya, nagtagalog ka pala. Palawan.
Taga pala.
Oo, taga Palawan ako. Kala ko ano ka? Muslim? Apex lang din pala yan.
Legit yan, pero Pinoy ako, Pinoy.
Ah, oh? Pero wala kang lahi.
Ano ko, half,
Hmm. Taga
half,
UAE.
half Shih Tzu, half Bulldog.
Visit. Nadali mo ako doon ah. Pa-English ka pa kuya ha. Baka may gusto kang kanta. Kanta na lang kita pa
Kantahan mo ako,
Valentine's na
hintay
rin.
namin. Ano bang favorite song mo para sa amin?
Para sa inyong lahat, ganon.
Meron tayong 101 people watching right now. So our viewers real time.
Oh, hello guys! Alam mo ba na na parang pangalawa ko pa lang to na nag-live dito sa TikTok.
I see. And you talk to me. You make your second live unforgettable. You talk to me, you will not forget it. Yeah, for sure.
Wala, thank you so much. Ano ka pala ha? Nakakaingit yung iba dito na sobra dami talagang viewers, mga likers. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Sabi lang ng